Movable Spaces Safe with Fingerprint Recognition is a high-tech safe that combines secure storage with convenience. It operates through fingerprint recognition technology, meaning only authorized users can access its contents. The Movable Spaces feature refers to its adaptability. This safe isn't fixed to one location. It can be easily relocated or moved around, adding flexibility to where you want to keep your valuables. The safe uses a fingerprint scanner to authenticate users. By registering authorized fingerprints, it grants access only to those individuals. This adds an extra layer of security compared to traditional safes that use keys or combinations, which can be lost or stolen. Overall, it's a sophisticated and portable security solution that prioritizes both protection and convenience, making it an attractive option for those seeking secure and adaptable storage. Ballsblock Tresor is a secure vault designed for storage. It offers advanced protection against hacking attempts and unauthorized access, safeguarding assets. The Tresor utilizes cutting-edge encryption and hardware security to ensure the safety of stored items, providing peace of mind to users concerned about the security. The FOS-1 safe is designed to fit into the center console compartment, providing secure storage for firearms or valuables while seamlessly integrating into the vehicle's interior for added convenience and safety. A hidden screen compartment refers to a concealed storage space typically integrated into vehicle interiors, designed to discreetly hold items while maintaining a minimalist or inconspicuous appearance. For vehicles, a hidden screen compartment could refer to a concealed area in the car's dashboard or center console that discreetly houses a screen or storage area. This setup might allow for the display to retract or be concealed when not in use, contributing to a clean and uncluttered interior aesthetic while offering functionality when needed. These hidden compartments often employ various mechanisms for access, such as magnetic closures, hidden latches, or motorized mechanisms, ensuring security while providing easy access to the stored items when desired. They serve both practical and aesthetic purposes, catering to both functionality and design in furniture or vehicle interiors. A headrest safe is a cleverly designed compartment integrated into the headrest of a vehicle seat, offering a discreet and secure storage solution for valuable items. These safes are designed to blend into the car's interior seamlessly while providing a hidden space to keep important documents, cash, or other small items. Typically, a headrest safe is built with security in mind, featuring a lock or latch mechanism to prevent unauthorized access. The access mechanism can vary, ranging from key-based locks to combination locks or even biometric scanners, like fingerprint recognition, depending on the specific model and level of security desired. Installation of a headrest safe often involves replacing the original headrest with the modified safe-containing headrest. This process can be straightforward and doesn't typically require extensive modifications to the vehicle. It offers a covert storage space, as the safe looks like a regular headrest, making it less conspicuous and less prone to theft. The safe is designed to be secure, with sturdy materials and locking mechanisms, providing peace of mind regarding the safety of stored items. Despite being hidden, headrest safes are usually easily accessible to the owner, allowing quick retrieval of items when needed. Some headrest safes offer customization options, allowing owners to personalize settings or access methods to suit their preferences. When using a headrest safe, it's crucial to remember its limitations. While it offers a degree of security, it might not be suitable for storing larger items or items of extreme value that might require more robust security measures. Also, it's essential to ensure that the installation doesn't interfere with the headrest's functionality or compromise the vehicle's safety features. Overall, a headrest safe serves as a clever and practical solution for discreetly securing small items within a vehicle, enhancing security for valuable possessions while on the move. The Nighthawk Custom Dual 1911 gun safe is a specialized safe designed to fit into the trunk of a Corvette ZR1, offering secure storage for firearms or valuables. This safe is specifically crafted to house two 1911 handguns, known for their reliability and precision. Installed in the trunk of the Corvette ZR1, this safe utilizes the available space efficiently, ensuring a snug fit while providing maximum security for firearms. It's designed with robust materials and a locking mechanism to prevent unauthorized access. The setup caters to gun owners or enthusiasts who own the powerful Corvette ZR1 and want a secure and discreet storage solution for their firearms while traveling. The safe's placement in the trunk allows for easy access while maintaining the sleek interior of the vehicle. Police vehicle gun cabinets are specialized storage units designed to securely hold firearms inside law enforcement vehicles. These cabinets are crucial for ensuring the safekeeping of firearms while officers are on duty. Typically made of durable materials like steel, these cabinets are mounted within police vehicles, often in the trunk or another secure area. They're constructed to withstand forceful entry attempts and are equipped with locking mechanisms, ensuring only authorized personnel can access the weapons inside. The design varies, offering configurations to accommodate different types of firearms, ammunition, and equipment. Some may have foam inserts or adjustable compartments to securely hold various types of guns and accessories in place during transportation, preventing damage or movement. These gun cabinets play a vital role in maintaining the safety and security of firearms in police vehicles, ensuring quick and controlled access for officers while preventing theft or unauthorized handling. An automated wine bar is a sophisticated system that offers an innovative and convenient way to store, dispense, and enjoy wine at home or in commercial settings. Typically, it features a sleek design with refrigeration capabilities to store multiple bottles of wine at optimal temperatures. It has compartments or racks to hold and organize wine bottles, preserving them in ideal conditions, temperature, humidity, and sometimes even light exposure. Through automation, it allows users to select a specific wine bottle or type via a digital interface. The system dispenses the chosen wine in precise amounts without needing to uncork the bottle, using technology like preservation gases or vacuum systems to maintain the wine's quality. Some automated wine bars offer customization options, such as temperature settings for different types of wine or the ability to track inventory and preferences through integrated software or apps. These systems provide a luxurious and efficient way to manage and enjoy wine collections, offering a blend of preservation, organization, and easy access for enthusiasts or establishments looking to elevate the wine experience. Hidden cellar stairs are discrete staircases designed to provide access to a cellar or basement area while remaining inconspicuous in a living space. These stairs are often concealed within the flooring, a closet, or beneath another structure, such as a trapdoor, bookshelf, or cabinet. When needed, they can be revealed or opened, allowing access to the cellar or basement, but when closed, they blend seamlessly into the surrounding area, keeping the entrance hidden from plain view. These stairs offer both functionality and aesthetic appeal by maximizing space and maintaining the overall design and flow of the living area. A secret passage for a quest room fireplace refers to a hidden doorway or access point concealed within or behind a fireplace in an escape room or quest-themed setting. It's designed as part of a puzzle or challenge, where participants must discover or unlock the hidden entrance by solving clues or manipulating elements within the room. This secret passage adds intrigue and excitement to the quest, requiring players to think creatively or use problem-solving skills to uncover the hidden pathway, possibly leading to another area or stage within the game, creating an immersive and adventurous experience for participants. Creating a secret door within a fireplace involves integrating a concealed entryway discreetly within the fireplace structure. Determine the location and size of the hidden door within the fireplace, considering the door type, swinging, sliding, or pivoting, and its dimensions. Carefully dismantle the fireplace, prioritizing safety by shutting off gas or electricity if applicable. Construct a framework for the secret door, ensuring it aligns seamlessly with the fireplace's structure. It might involve professional assistance for safety and structural stability. Install the door using specialized hinges or mechanisms that blend with the fireplace's appearance. Custom carpentry might be needed to match the door's finish to the fireplace's design. Ensure the door functions smoothly, whether activated by a latch, concealed switch, or remote control. Test its operation thoroughly and make adjustments as needed. Refinish or repaint the fireplace to mask any indications of modification, ensuring the secret door appears as a natural part of the fireplace. Verify that the door complies with building codes, operates without risks, and doesn't hinder the fireplace's function. This enhancement transforms the fireplace into a concealed passage. A secret hidden door within a stone wall involves crafting a concealed entryway camouflaged within the wall's stonework. Determine the door's location and size within the stone wall, ensuring it blends seamlessly with the surrounding stonework. Carefully carve out or create space for the hidden door while maintaining the wall's structural integrity. Craft a door that matches the appearance of the stone wall. Install specialized hinges or mechanisms that enable the door to blend seamlessly with the stones, making it virtually indistinguishable when closed. Finally, adjust the door's alignment and appearance to ensure it aligns perfectly with the stone wall, effectively hiding the entry when closed. This meticulous process results in a discreet entryway hidden within the stone wall, adding an element of mystery and intrigue to the architectural design. A pallet wall secret door involves incorporating a concealed entryway within a wall constructed using pallet wood. Plan the door's location and size within the pallet wall, ensuring it blends seamlessly with the woodwork. Modify the pallet wall to create space for the hidden door without compromising its stability. Install hinges or a pivoting system within the pallet wall to enable the door's concealment and reveal. Craft the door to match the pallet wood's appearance, ensuring it's indistinguishable when closed. This process ingeniously hides an entryway within the pallet wall, merging functionality with the rustic aesthetic of the wooden structure. A mini pool with a movable floor is a compact swimming pool featuring an adjustable base that can change its depth. This innovative pool design allows the floor's elevation to be modified, transforming the pool from a shallow wading area to a deeper swimming space or even a completely dry surface. These pools are versatile, suitable for various purposes and spaces. They're often seen in homes, spas, or fitness centers where space is limited but flexibility in pool depth is desired. The adjustable floor mechanism enables customization for different activities, such as swimming, aqua exercises, or simply creating a safe shallow pool for kids. It optimizes space utilization while offering multifunctional capabilities for different user needs.